course, I'm ready to open up my gift. But listen, y'all, I got some cute stuff. Let me show y'all. Look, so these are my flowers. I absolutely think it's the cutest thing ever. It's a pink rose. I wanted a pink rose, and I got that. And then look at my little birthday balloon. Yes, honey, I know, it's so cute. And then I got some cake for us, y'all. Listen, my Food City cake is bussin'. Yes, honey, your girl is 40 today, okay? Tell me happy birthday. Let me know. Drop it down in the comments. Say happy birthday. Let me know love is real. All right, it is January the 7th, as you can see. And I am up late night working on this video for you, honey. It took me a long time to come back, but I knew one thing for sure. I had to come back with that savings challenge. So listen, if you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in and checking out your girl. Today we are going to open up my birthday savings box. Go ahead, click that like button. Don't forget to hit that share button. And oh yes, subscribe while you at it, okay? So you can stay up to date on everything. But anyway, yes, today is your girl's 40th birthday. I get to open up my gift today. Basically, with the birthday savings challenge box, normally you would just save your age. So whatever your age you're turning for the upcoming year, you will basically save that amount all the way up until the next year. I started in January, and here we are, January 7th again on my birthday. So now it's kind of open. I hope that made sense. If it didn't, don't worry about it, honey. You'll follow along. Just stay tuned, okay? This is just a random box that I had laying around the house. I basically taped it up. If you've been with me, then you already know I like to use anything that I have available to save. I'm not going to be the one out here buying Smashbox or right here buying all that cute stuff just to bust it open and do what I got to do. I'm trying to save money, okay? You get the objective. You get where I'm going here. You want to save money, okay? Don't keep on buying all this extra pretty stuff to, you know, save a coin or two. Be for real, okay? Put that money into the box. Just a box. Get a water jug, get a milk carton, get a juice bottle, whatever you got, girl, use that, okay? Don't make it too hard. Save those coins. But anyway, listen, this little wrapping paper and whatnot, it's just something to make it extra and cute for me because I like it cute. It's a gift to me. And by the way, let me go ahead and insert my last two little monies. Let me insert my last couple of dollars for my challenge, okay? Because it technically, as you know, it's still my birthday, so I got a couple more dollars I need to put in here, and I'll be doing that. So, like, look, see that? I just put a little slit in there, and we're good to go. And that's how you can put your coins in there and save it all. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's see what we got. How should I store it? Should I make it cute and just like peel from the side, or should I just like rip it open? Like, what you want me to do? Huh? Like yank this off and just go for it? What do you think? A part of me just wants to be cutesy and just, you know, demure, pull it off, you know, one by one. But no, why would we do that? Just why? Exactly. Let's get to it. Okay, so that one didn't go all the way down, but that's okay. It's in there, right? Okay. Okay. Can y'all see? Huh? I'll let y'all get the first glance. You like it? It look good? Huh? Is it okay? All right. Okay, cool. We got something in here. Look at that. That's stuck to me. That's cute. Let's move that out the way. I ain't mad at it. You know, we'll see what we're working with. Let's see. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and sort everything out, and then we'll count it up afterwards, okay? Okay. Let's roll these sleeves up, okay? So, can y'all see it? I'm going to put this back right here so y'all can see what we got going on, what we're working with, okay? So, this is what we got. Now, it's time to guess, okay? Let's think about it. I see we got a nice little stack of $100 bills, okay? But my 50s, though, okay? The 50s are coming through, you know. Oh, wow. Okay. But the dubskis, the $20 bills, look at them. Okay. The 10s. I just got 2 10s. Well, then. Okay. And I got a couple 5s. Okay. And I got some dollars. Where them dollars at? Where them dollars? And stop before I get copyrighted. Okay. All right. Okay. I think it's probably a good 1,200. Yeah, it's probably a good 1,200. I think we had 1,200. That would be good. That would be great. I don't remember what it was last time, but hopefully we outdid last time. But if not, we not gonna complain, honey. We gonna take what we can. Ain't that right? Yeah, tell me what you think it is, okay? So I'd say about $1,203, okay? Because we got a lot of dollars, okay? $1,203. Go ahead, take your time and write it down below. All right, that's enough. You should already had it in there by now. But anyway, so let's count and let's see. I'm going to start with the smallest to largest. You know how y'all do. Y'all like to cuss me out and tell me I can't count. But today, we're going to do this together. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26. Okay? Let me get my phone. That way, I won't lose count. Alright, so we got 26 ones, right? And we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, plus 40. Then we got 10, 20, and 10s. Alright. And then we have the 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60. Okay. So for the 50s, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. And then for our hundreds, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 6. Okay. So 560 and 450, basically that was already the 1,200-ish right there. So, okay, I haven't did the grand total, so this is how it looks, y'all. This is what I got, right? Okay. All right, so whoever win, I'm gonna split half of it with you. All right. And I'm lying. I'm not splitting nothing with you, bro. I did this. I saved this all by myself. But anyway, tell me. Okay, let me stop. Okay. All right. So, y'all ready for the grand total? Let's see. Who is the closest? Who's going to win? Okay, cool. 1696. 1696, $1,696, guys. Okay, let's go. Period. Let me see. I said 1,203, right? I was off by $493, almost $500. I was off, but nonetheless, I am very happy and I am very proud of myself. So yes, back to the drawing board, because I'm gonna use this to save up for something special. So I need a little bit more to go with this. So I will be using this to go towards that. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all know I am. I'm gonna share it, okay? It's gonna be ours. It's like both of ours, whatever it is, okay? And I hope you like it just as much as I do, okay? But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. It was so good to see y'all. I love y'all. I just wanted to come on and be silly for a minute and just enjoy, you know, doing our little savings challenge and giving y'all a quick update and seeing what's going on with y'all. So let me know if you've been saving still, or if you started your box last year and you ready to open yours. Will you be opening your box this year? If so, what are we doing? Huh? What are we doing? So as you can tell with my challenge this year, I just decided to save whatever I can, because I really like the random challenge. I like to, you know, be surprised when I go in. So again, This is what I have for my yearly. This was my yearly random birthday savings challenge box, guys. Okay, I hope to be back soon with more updates, like I said, and giving y'all some more insight. If there's a video idea, or if there's something that you have been wanting to see or you need me to update you on, then let your girl know. Drop it down in the comments below, okay? And I'll try my best to get it to you. I'm thinking about doing my monthly savings challenges with you guys. If you would like to do some of those kind of challenges together, then, you know, let me know if that's something you're up to. We can start small and work our way up, okay? Let's do it together, but we got this. I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all. Thank you again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share the video.